CS Tec, your laser total solutions provider. Today I'd like to introduce our laser source parts. This is a fiber cable for breaker 3 kilowatts for cutting. The fiber cable is 20 meters length, and this is a power supply. This is for max laser for 2 kilowatts. This is also for max 2 kilowatts laser source. All of these for our Pakistan's class. He's a laser repair expert, so he needs many different laser source parts like the fiber cable, power supply, and this board, and so on. So if you need a laser source parts or need a laser repair service, just call me. See you next time. Thank you.